Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a sinking fund update, and I believe this is update number 4. So in this video we're gonna be updating our sheets, we're gonna be switching out bills, and we're gonna put on a 1K slip if need to be. So if you guys want to see this video, then just keep on watching. So we spent $635 for health right here, so $635 plus for Angel Curves we spent $69.95. Angel Curves is a waist trainer website. I bought that waist trainer, but I don't really like it, so I'm actually going to return that. But I did spend the money in my bank, and I do have to put that back. So we're taking out a total of 76.03 from our health. So I don't have change for health. I'm actually gonna break change real quick. I'm taking out $75 for health, so 50, 75. So that's going back to the bank, and once I get my refund, I'll put this money back into my envelope. Alright guys, so next is beauty, and I spent $28. So we are taking out $30 for beauty. So 20, 30. So this is going back to the bank because I did purchase some stuff online on Amazon. Alright guys, next is Christmas. So I'm not going to be taking out none of my boss up money because that is money I have in the bank. So I just use my buffer to pay to fund these. So next is Christmas, and Christmas we spent $293.85 plus we also spent $180. That's a total of $473. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 72, 74, 274, 374, and 474. I'll recount that just in case you guys got confused. So let me put this back into my envelope. So we have 100, 200, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 72, 74. So we've taken out 474 for our Christmas envelope, and we're depositing that back into the bank. And that's it of my monthly expenses. So now we're gonna do our month-end envelopes. Alright guys, so we're gonna start off with savings first because we are adding a 1K slip. So I actually love it, and I get excited when I get to add in a 1K slip and deposit the money into the bank account. So we're gonna be adding a 1K slip, so that means we're taking out 1,000 from here, and we're gonna be allocating that 1,000 to the bank to collect them dividends. So 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 950, 970, 990, 1,000. So this 1,000 is going back to the bank, and we have a 1K slip now. So in savings we have 1,000. Oh yeah, as you guys know, every 1K slip that I do put in here, I have a quote on the back, and I do read it to you guys. So this one says, you can do anything, but you cannot do everything. So I definitely need to keep that in mind because I'll be so overwhelmed with trying to do everything at once. We have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 100, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have $3,204 in savings. You guys, this is a great way to track your sinking funds. So as you guys could see, we started off the month at $2,854 and we're ending the month at $3,204. So that's like 400, almost 400 added in to our savings envelope. Go back to my clear binder, which is my kids' sinking funds. So Lenasia, she started off at 2,186 and now she's ending the month off at 1,000. Actually, let's change the bills in first and then we'll count to see how much she ended the month off at. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. So that's going to the bank and I'm gonna add in $200 bills. 20, 40, 45, 50. So that should be good. Oops. So she has 1,000, 2,000, 1, 2, 300, 350, 355, 357, 359, 361. So she has $2,361. Next is Jaden. $20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 1, 2, 20, 40, 5, 50, 50. Has 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 900, $952. So Jaden has 1,952. Next is vacation. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 200. So vacation has 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 10, 15. So we have 515 for vacation. Family time. We started off the month at $40 and now we have 50, 70, 90, 95, 100. Let's pull out this 100. I'm actually gonna put this 50 to the side right here, just in case I want to change out some bills for that. Clothing. We started the month at $121, so 50, 70, 80, 90, 100. So now we had 201. So home remodel, we started the month at $40. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. So I'm gonna take out this. This is $50. And I'm gonna put in a $50 bill. So 80 bucks. Car maintenance. We started the month at $450. So we now have 100, 2, 3, for 500, 550, 570, 580. Debt snowball, we started the month at 380, but I did make a payment, so we stuffed 300 this month. Health, 20, 40, 50. So now we have 150, 160, 165 in health. 165. Here. So we did savings already. My envelope is good. Christmas, we did take out a lot of money already for Christmas, so we started the month at $501 and we're ending it off at 100, 105, 78. So 108. My envelope, we started the month at 0 and we're ending it off at 70 bucks. Back to school, 20, 40, 45, 50, 55. I'm gonna take out these 5s and put a 10 in. So we started the month off at 40 and now we're ending it off at 55. Gifts, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So in gifts we have 100, 200, 20, 45 dollars. So we started the month off at 170 and we're ending it off with 245. Boss Up, we started the month off at 0 and we're ending it off at 30. In taxes, we started off at 0 and we are ending it off at 50, 100. Replace it with another 100. Ending it off at $300. So last right there is my emergency fund, and we do have 1,000 in there. Alright guys, let's calculate how much we have in our envelopes. So in our sinking funds, we have a total of $11,266. Let's count this money and see how much we are going to put into the bank this time. So 1, 2, 200, 250, 300, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 40. So this is 740 right here. 60, 88, 20, 40, 60, 89, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,000. So this is one stack right here. $1,000. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 400, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 450 right here. 60, 70, 80, 90, 500, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 77, 79. So you guys, we are depositing $1,579. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. And I hope you guys have a great holiday and Happy New Year. See you guys in 2021. Bye.